ATL, Jacob and Southside, two of the biggest producers in the game right now, both working on a lot of hits with Future. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a dark ambient trap beat for Future in the style of these two producers, or close to that. Let's get cooking. The BPM is 159 in my project. I would suggest you to go off with a faster BPM, over 150 for this type of beats. For my first sound, I used Electro X with this preset. I came up with this pattern in a scale of C minor, something pretty simple with a lot of space in it. For effects, I have an EQ and a Valhalla Vintage at 50%, as well as Penman. I've consolidated this pattern and then reversed it. Now, because I reversed it, the whole melody is backward, so we gotta rearrange the melody. Click on the wave icon on the top left corner, go to chop, time based, and then chop in bars. Now, starting from the last one, drag them one by one and bring them forward on a new track, in that order. For this melody, it doesn't make such a difference to rearrange it because the root note is C the entire time. But if you have a melody that goes from C to G sharp and then G, reversing it is gonna mess up the melody. So be sure to rearrange it like I showed you here. This is what we got now. Make sure the declicking mode is in general bleeding. Next up, we got these keys presets from Keyzone Classic called Yamaha Grand Piano. This is how it sounds. For effects, we have an EQ cutting the low end, 40% of Valhalla Vintage, and a backmask at 15%. I told you about backmask in my previous videos. It gives so much control on reversing the sound, so go copy it if you don't have it already. Next sound is from Atmosphere, the classic soprano preset playing in the C minor scale. For effects, we have an EQ cutting the lows, also scooping some low mids, and a Valhalla Vintage at 50%. This is the melody so far. After 8 bars, I've added the first melody again, but pitched it up an octave to switch it up a bit, give it a bit of color. Now let's do the drums. This is how the drums sound all together. And this is the final beat. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you find my content helpful. See you in the next video. Bye.